Hard drives store data on spinning disks called platters. Platters are divided into tracks. Each track is divided into sectors. Disks are coated in alloys that have tiny magnetic domains. Think of them as little regions that can be altered by magnetic fields. A spindle motor rotates the disk, while an actuator arm flies nanometers above the platter surface to access data in different regions. Located at the end of the actuator arm are delicate read-write heads calibrated to your specific drive. These tiny heads are about 1 millimeter long. For comparison, a grain of rice is approximately 5 to 10 millimeters. As the disk spins, the drive sends current pulses to a tiny coil at the end of the actuator arm. The heads use those pulses to create a localized magnetic field and write data to the disk. To read data, a sensor in the head detects changes in magnetic fields on the platter. Those signals are then processed and decoded into digital data. If the heads make contact with the platter due to a drop, wear, or other internal failure, they can damage the surface and your data. This is known as a head crash. Crashes are just one reason that read-write heads fail. Another common cause involves heads losing sensitivity over time, making the reading and writing process less reliable. They can also become stuck in position, which prevents them from running normally. Clicking or grinding sounds, repeated file errors, and sudden system instability are signs of read-write head failure. To improve data recovery odds, avoid using the hard drive, opening the disk, or running software to restore data. Software will not work with a physically broken hard drive. Doing so could lead to further data loss. Turn the drive off and contact an expert. Read-write head failures require special tools and techniques to repair damage and recover data. At Secure Data Recovery, we replace failed heads in certified clean rooms designed to filter out dust and other particles that could cause more damage. Multiple head swaps may be necessary. Donor heads can degrade quickly or struggle to read parts of the platter. Once stable heads are in place, we create a sector-by-sector image of the drive and extract the stored data. Success depends on the extent of the damage. However, given our expertise and equipment, we can often recover data that others cannot.